What's up YouTube? I'm William Bitter and this is my channel Money Thoughts. And today we are going to talk about my backpack hack. You see, Osprey backpacks are some of the best backpacks in the world and they have the best guarantee on the planet. They call it the Almighty Guarantee. And just to preface this video, I'm not being paid by Osprey. I just think this is a really awesome hack. And basically what the Almighty Guarantee means, if anything happens to your backpack, if there's any wear and tear or damage on your backpack, any type of damage, it could be ripped in half, you can send it into Osprey and they will either replace your backpack or give you a brand new one for free. All you have to do is pay for shipping. You don't even need a receipt or any type of proof of purchase. All that matters is that it's an Osprey backpack. Usually they just send you a brand new one, which is pretty incredible. For me, it's usually less than $10 to pay for shipping. There's no time limit on this guarantee, which means that basically my children's children should be able to send this backpack in essentially forever, and as long as the company still exists and they're still offering this guarantee. So originally I paid around $100 for this backpack and about $150 for this backpack. And I use these backpacks for everything. I use this backpack as my daily commuter backpack, sometimes as my gym bag, bring my rock climbing stuff, bring my computer to the cafe to do work on my computer. And this backpack I use for like doing my laundry, I use it as a grocery bag, and I even use it when I climb mountains. And I've also gone on incredible long backpacking journeys. And this is actually my get up, is I'll actually have this backpack on the back. Hopefully I don't bump the speaker here. And I'll have this backpack on the front. And I've traveled the world for 13 months with this setup right here. So, anyway, so you get the point. I actually put a lot of wear and tear in my backpacks. And, you know, the fact that for the rest of my life, and I guess my children's lives, I'll be able to send these backpacks in for a brand new replacement whenever they get worn out. As you can see, this one's starting to wear out a little bit. I mean, technically, because you don't need proof of purchase, you could technically just find, if you find one of these at a thrift shop, even if it's destroyed to all hell, you should be able to send it in and get a brand new one. So if you ever see an Osprey backpack at a thrift store, definitely scoop it up. And so while I did have to spend like $250 to purchase these backpacks originally, I've had these backpacks for more than 10 years. I've probably replaced this one 3 times and this one 2 times. So like in total over the past, 12 years or so, I've probably spent like under $50 in shipping to get brand new backpacks. This is how I think about the numbers is, it's a $250 investment to have backpacks for the rest of your life with a marginal cost of like $5 a year to continue to have brand new backpacks every, 3 to 4 years. And it's an amazing deal, especially if you're someone like me who literally uses a backpack for everything. I'm super happy to share my life hacks. If you guys like this kind of stuff, please make sure to like this video. It really helps out my channel and it helps me continue to spread the word of all these really cool life hacks that have helped me save and invest money. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you guys next time. Peace.